Okay. I am Shelley Cram. I am a director of GardenCom, which is GardenCom Garden Communicators International. And we are a group of wonderful writers. We just love to write everything about gardening, whether it's writing or podcasting, video, photography, all of it. Whenever you are speaking or hearing about gardening, it comes from Garden Communicators. And we're very excited and a passionate group. And we have partnered with the National Garden Bureau, which is another wonderful group uh, focused on gardening and bringing garden information to consumers and connecting breeders to the people that love to grow new seeds and new varieties. They have a wonderful plant selection program, and we are just grateful to be with them and bring together four of our book authors from GardenCom for a wonderful party on November 6th. We're inviting you officially, and today with me right now is one of our authors. So I'm going to give you a little teaser with Linda Langelo, and she's going to pop on here and tell you about her book that will be featured at the party. Take it
Hi,
away, Linda.
hi, Shelley. Great to meet you. Great
Great
to
to
be
meet
doing this.
you. Yes, we're so happy to have you. So tell us about, well, we have a wonderful book of yours to get to, but tell us a little bit about your gardening and what kind of gardening you do and what kind of instructing you've done over your career.
Oh my goodness. All the way from Longwood Gardens to the present. In extension, I have taught people on various topics, and I have podcasts. I have a column called The Relentless Gardener, and I have East Coast and West Coast experience because of all of it. But my first experience with gardening was with my grandma and my dad. My dad taught me vegetable gardening, actual, let's go out, let's turn the soil over, let's plant the tomatoes. And my grandmom taught me about roses, and she grew calla lilies in Pennsylvania against a brick wall, and they overwintered. We never had to take them up, and they were beautiful every year. She had a green thumb.
Yeah.
So I inherited their green thumbs.
That is so beautiful. Okay, I'm so glad for that tidbit on your background because that is what's informing this wonderful new book that you have. So tell us a little bit about your book, and we'll learn more, of course, at the party coming up. But go ahead.
Okay, plants are speaking. Are you listening? Is the esoteric nature of plants and the science behind it as far as science can go right now? And it's a way of understanding how we connect with a plant's energy and how that energy can raise our vibration to heal us. Pay attention to the plants that you're attracted to. They're the ones that need to be in your life. And they will help you through whatever issues you're going through. Even if you sit next to them, like I have here, this is a peace lily, and I'm sitting next to it amongst my plants because they are the light and they lovingly are here to serve us. So it's a collaboration, and my book talks about scientifically how plants physically collaborate as well as spiritually.
That is amazing. You know, that's a topic dear to my heart. So you can see everyone. There is a lot to dig into with Linda alone, let alone the four other amazing authors that will be joining us. So make sure to mark your calendar for November 6th. A link to register for the party. It's a free event. But a link to register the party will be in the notes of this video. And we hope to see you and register in time. It starts at 7 p.m. Eastern. And there will also be free books given away. Or each book of each author will be raffled off, so be sure to enjoy that. You have a chance to win a copy, but we'll also show you where these books are available for purchase. And there will be a breakout session at the end, so you will get a chance to talk to Linda and the other authors personally right at the end. So this is loads of fun. We can't wait for you to join us. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in November.